Today, in this video, I will convert fertilizer into nitric acid. This is calcium nitrate, commonly used as fertilizer for many plants. Just like other fertilizer, it is also in pellets form. So before going forward, we need to crush it down. After that, I added fertilizer to a small beaker. To that beaker, I added some water and copper metal. Copper will react with nitric acid. And to the battery dish, I will add some hydrogen peroxide. You can add water too. And to the beaker, I will add some hydrochloric acid. This will initiate the reaction. After that, I will put an inverted beaker on it. The reaction should have started immediately, but it doesn't. I start doubting myself and thought to heat it up. When not much happened, I decided to repeat the experiment again. This time I took a small conical flask with hydrochloric acid in it, and to it I added some fertilizer. You can see the frustration clearly here. At this point, I was really unsure that will I get the result or not. By the way, we just need 280 subscribers to complete first 1K, so do subscribe. I heated the mixture for like 30 minutes, and when it started looking like this, I decided to put into the battery dish bag. Is it with me or with you also? When one thing starts going wrong, the other follows. The conical flask does not fit into the beaker, so we need to transfer the mixture to a smaller beaker. I was thinking this time also nothing will happen, but suddenly I see this. A small bubble. I didn't know that this was because of the reaction or just a bubble, but I decided to give it some time, and after that, this happened. This experiment is full of surprises. I didn't think to see this here. The hydrogen peroxide was rising inside the beaker. If you know the reason, comment down below. Here you can see calcium nitrate reacting with hydrochloric acid to produce nitric acid. And nitric acid is reacting with copper to produce nitrogen dioxide and nitrogen monoxide. You can see brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide at the upper part of the beaker. Those gases are trapped into the hydrogen peroxide solution at the bottom. Now, for the final part, let's check whether we have prepared nitric acid or not. For that, I will be using copper metal. The reactivity of copper with the solution will tell us about the strength of nitric acid into the solution. So, vigorous the reaction, more nitric acid into it. For better understanding, I will be comparing it with concentrated nitric acid. On right side of the screen, I will be showing concentrated nitric acid, and on left side of the screen, I will be showing the nitric acid we have prepared. Kindly watch and like. The nitric acid we have prepared is weak, but at least it is nitric acid.